Hello students, this is Click English and I'm Tutor Nick. Thank you to all of you who subscribed over the last 2 years, and for the few of you who made comments, thank you too. Unfortunately, the channel is not popular enough for me to continue doing it. It takes 8 hours hard work to make each video, and I've also paid to have someone help me with the sound and with the voices. I am making no money out of this, and I wasn't trying to make money out of this, but I did think I might get more subscribers. So, regretfully, I think it's time to stop, and that's what I'm going to do. So once again, thank you to all of you who subscribed. Thank you to all of you who took the time to write a comment, and good luck, and I hope you don't stop trying to learn English. Bye bye.